Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your delivery date in Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, you're gonna access the particular Amazon shopping app here on your mobile phone. Once you're done so, make sure you're logged in as well, and then here in the section you're gonna tap on your profile icon below, right? And you're gonna tap on this your orders option, and you're gonna find your orders details just right over here. So even if you tap on the manage orders section, you won't be able to find this changing date option available. For that, you have to go to this menu option given below 3 horizontal line below right corner, and then you're gonna tap on this option called customer service below. And now for that option, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom and tap on this I need more help option, and you can see chat with us now, request a phone call. You're going to tap on this request a call now, and you're going to enter your particular number and tap on this call me now, and then you're going to let them know that you would like to change your order, you need help with that, and then they're going to simply let you know how you can delay your date. They can connect you with the customer service in charge, and you can let them know that you would like to change the date of your delivery. So yeah, that is basically how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.